Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello guys, today I will show you the types of pollutions. Here are pollution types: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, light pollution, thermal pollution, noise pollution.
First of all, I will discuss about air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air due to the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to materials. Next is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities, so that it negatively affects its uses. Water bodies include lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, reservoirs, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants mix with these water bodies. Furthermore, soil pollution. Soil contamination, soil pollution, or land pollution as a part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotic chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Moreover, there is light pollution. Light pollution is the presence of unwanted, inappropriate, or excessive artificial lighting. In a descriptive sense, the term light pollution refers to the effects of any poorly implemented lighting during the day or night. Moving further. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution, sometimes called thermal enrichment, is the degradation of water quality by any process that changes ambient water temperature. Thermal pollution is the rise or drop in the temperature of a natural body of water caused by human influence. Lastly, there is noise pollution. Noise is unwanted sound considered unpleasant, loud, or disruptive to hearing. From a physics standpoint, there is no distinction between noise and desired sound, as both are vibrations through a medium, such as air or water. The difference arises when the brain receives and perceives a sound.